SUI could drop 3.6% tomorrow, based on coin data flow forecast. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. SUI is showing a 1.7% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $0.6767. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. Traders Union gives a forecast of $0.6975 by tomorrow, which would be 3.1% above today. CoinLore expects SUI could move towards $0.688, roughly 1.7% higher. According to CoinCodex, it might approach $0.6837, a rise of approximately 1.1%. A different outlook from CoinDataFlow expects SUI could sink to $0.652, a decrease estimated near 3.6%, and to Endgolf Capital projects $0.647 by tomorrow, showing a decline of 4.4%. This is the top yield scenario. That's the full picture for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decline of 4.4% and an increase of 3.1%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Gov Capital has the top return with 4.4% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $11 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinCodex has the strongest forecast, carrying a 74.6% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Consensus positioning shows SUI trading near $0.6736. So, let's check it out in detail. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 0.4% by tomorrow. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 0.4%. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $4, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 80.6%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. Traders Union expects strength on the upside. Similarly, CoinLore indicates that SUI could keep climbing. CoinCodex describes the near-term path as bearish. The direction noted by CoinDataFlow is clearly upward. Gov Capital expects the price to slump further. In summary, the consensus suggests SUI is on a path lower across the 3-day outlook. Summing it up, the balance of forecasts is bullish, with SUI likely to follow a rising course. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. Ultimately, the closing price printed $0.6895. The majority of analysts got the direction right this time. Most precise forecast was delivered by CoinCodex. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. 3 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and Traders Union reached 1.5%, the highest among them. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. For comparison, CoinDataFlow reached 0.2% ROI and $0.0211 accuracy. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among SUI and other assets. This time SUI doesn't hold first place because World Liberty Financial shows the strongest outlook at 2.2%. For now, you can see SUI next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set is already featured on my website. We're done for now. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's updated forecasts. See you soon.